Hello traders, I hope your deposits are safe and sound and you are in profit. Let's talk about patterns relevant for scalping. I want to show you the most effective patterns for scalping, however I must pay your attention to the fact that patterns do not work alone. Trading on patterns without technical analysis and reading of the order book is just a lottery. You may be profitable with the same probability if you go to casino. So you should use your analysis, risk management, and finally use the patterns as an additional argument for opening your position. Please write in the comments below what patterns do you prefer in scalping. I recommend watching this video till the end where I will show you the practical case. Let's start with Strangle. Look at the history. For scalping, such pattern is very relevant due to the pile of stop losses placed below and above both sides of this figure. The breakthrough could occur at any side. Our mission is not to miss that.
More preferable is to trade triangles along the main movement of the trend, treating this pattern as a sort of consolidation. Taking into consideration that it's better trading along the trend, it could be bullish in this case or bearish in other case pennant. However, the mechanics are the same. Look at the breakthrough from the triangle, retest, and the continuation of this movement. The next pattern, double peak or double bottom. The same instrument, such patterns are working out perfectly, especially when the price rapidly touch a strong level for the first time. We can find such setups at different time frames and it works well everywhere. This is a very good turning point. However, when the price touches strong level for the first time, we can work it out, and for the second time, we can also work it out. 25% on the 1 hour time frame. Look how it worked out on a history. Head and shoulders. This is the most popular and my favorite one. When we are supposing the end of correction or rapid reaching of a strong level, or a pullback from a huge limit order, watching it in the order book, head and shoulders is the perfect sign to open trade on the peak of the second shoulder, or better on the neckline. It perfectly works with a pullback strategy. When we have huge limit order amount somewhere here, and we enter the market at this point, combining in our analysis the huge limit order and the pattern, head and shoulders, supposing that the price will pull back from this zone. Look how it worked out. More than 7%. The next pattern is volume profile. While trading along the trend, what we always recommend to do, we can search such zones called market profile areas. Market profile is represented by the zone with the maximum volume of executed orders inside the trend. At these zones of short consolidation, buyers load their positions and push the price to continue the trend. Look how it works. It's very effective to open long position from such zones, treating them at the support levels. Now let's go to practice and work out one of such patterns. I managed to find two situations where we use two patterns: market profile and head and shoulders.
Here we see the market profile from where the buyers load their positions. There we see the additional sign for long. This sign is head and shoulders pattern. I opened the position at the level 3.47 with a stop loss opened. I suppose to fix my loss when the loss reaches 1% from my deposit. One more good sign is the point of control as a resistance zone. The pattern is working out very good. I have already fixed the most part of my position and left 1/3. The aim of this movement is 3.55. However, the movement faced strong resistance. In classes, we see how positions are being fixed. There is too much resistance. And finally, my position is closed. With this setup, we earned $20. I hope my advice was useful for you. Please remember again that patterns are additional arguments for opening positions, but not the basis for your decision-making process. What pattern from the ones described by me do you like most? Don't forget to download CScalp trading platform for free. The link you will find under this video. The video was prepared for the CScalp trading platform team. Thank you.